Morning. It's about 9:30. Just had the drone up. I think we're just about to get breakfast on. I think everyone woke up late. I think we're all still a bit jet lagged from the flight, if I'm honest. It's very hot and humid today. But yeah, very odd night, to be fair. Took quite a while to get to sleep, but once I was asleep I slept straight through. Had the fans on, and touch wood, I had no mozzie bites, which is always a bonus. I don't think I've shown this yet, but all of this mud here, it's actually rice fields, and they've just planted the rice, which is why it's all mud. Normally it's all quite green. Over that side you can see that they've got the rice, but over here they've only just planted it. Climate wise, I'm getting used to the climate now. Like I say, it is still very hot, very muggy, but you get used to it, and it's worth it to have views like this every morning and just waking up in nature. It is like camping, just a little bit more substantial. The one thing that I am missing though about not being in the UK is running water and running showers. We're having to shower with buckets at the moment because the water pressure isn't working, and obviously we can't drink the tap water, so we have to get all of the water out of bottles, which it's not too bad, but obviously you have to ration what you're having, or you're going to be walking to the shop constantly. We're at a birthday party today. I think it's the 23rd birthday, so we're here at the pool, yet to go in. Got a little friend here. Aww.
Warm enough.
Very cold.
Very cold.
It's quite deep actually.
Yeah. It's very difficult.
Forgot to outro today's video, so it's James from the future. We had a nice day at the pool, not the beach, the pool. Some lovely barbecue food, which I think you saw in the video today. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Morning. Don't know what day it is today. Kind of lose track when you're out here. It's currently about 32.5 degrees at about 8:30 in the morning. So today's going to be a hot one. I think it's the clearest we've had it whilst we've been here. We're going to a waterfall, then I think to another pool today. So it should be fun. I don't know if you'll be able to see on the camera, but something has happened to nibble on me last night. It's not mosquitoes, I think it might be ants. Must have been where I had my hand out of the bed. So woke up and it looks like chicken pox, but it's not. So, God knows. The humidity today is very, very humid. I think the reader in the house said it was about, I think, 92% humidity, which is bloody hot. Don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a huge dragonfly there. Let's try and get a closer view. Oh, it's gone. Where's it gone? Here it is. Look at that, it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. That's one nice thing about here is a lot of dragonflies and a lot of big butterflies, which you don't see in the UK, which is very, very nice to see. I've only been out in the sun for about probably 5 minutes and I am already dripping. Yes, I know I'm wearing black. You probably shouldn't wear black in hot weather like this, but it's the only t-shirt I've got left whilst we're up at the hut. So until I do some washing, or someone does some washing, I'm stuck in black. Don't know if you'll see it on the camera, but the rice fields have started to grow through now. There was someone out this morning planting even more, and interestingly, at night we keep getting a load of locals come onto them with big sticks, and apparently what they're doing is they're going around and they're looking for frogs. Last night we saw one of the frogs get absolutely beaten to death. They literally made it jump out of the water and got a stick and just battered it. I think they use them to eat or sell or something, but there's always loads of people down there and a lot of frogs getting killed, unfortunately. But I suppose that's what happens out here. I don't know if they're a pest for the rice field or what, but yeah, it's very, very odd to see.
Very cold.
that was the waterfall, so that's all complete now. Really nice, really refreshing. Stubbed my toe. Other than that, really good. I think we're off to a swimming pool now. So see you there.
Gym.
It is quite steep. Made a friend.
Yeah. No better when it's not got story, man.
That's where I'm going then. So we're not coming back. We're not coming back. Morning. Hot one last night. I've been bit to shreds. Woke up itching all over my hands. And it turns out something's had a lovely little nibble all over me. So yeah, that was fun. Don't think there'll be much filming today. We're staying on the land, just having a bit of a break. It was quite a full-on day yesterday. So yeah, we'll see what we get up to.
You boil them and you can eat them apparently. Never tried one, but
this one is our Pambansang fish. National fish.
These are one of my new favourite snacks. I don't know if you can get them in the UK. Well, I don't think you can, but they're incredible.
Grilled fish.
Just had some amazing lunch. We had, I think it was yellowfin tuna done on the open fire, some stir-fried pumpkin and some rice, and honestly it's out of this world. I've never tasted fish like it. There was some milkfish as well, that was quite nice, but the tuna was definitely the best. I think it was caught this morning onto my plate this afternoon. I've managed to get the drain up a little bit whilst we've been here. I've had it up today, went and filmed an old airport, which was nice. That's been closed because there's a sinkhole that's opened up and I just don't think there's the money to repair it. So that's made some good footage. You'll probably see that in this video. Got some few other shots to add in, but other than that, it's just going to be a chill day. You probably saw in yesterday's video that we was at the pool for quite a while yesterday, which has meant I've got quite burnt all over my shoulders. It hurts a lot, I think it's from where I've been carrying my backpack, so I've actually got quite a bit of after sun on that today, just hoping that it doesn't blister.
Going up in the mountain.
Good.
Yeah. Special forces there. He's good at running.
Used to be. I can still.
You're much taller than you.
Off to one of the hot springs. Don't know the name of it, no one's ever been, but we'll see what it's like. I'm hoping it's rather warm. Oh wow, oh it's hot. Woo. Hot springs over there. It's very, very hot. We've all been in it. Liv's just enjoying the cold pool now. But yeah, it's almost boiling in there. Very hot. Coming towards the end of the day now. We've been to the hot springs, spent the rest of the day in the lodge. Hot springs were very, very, very hot, very nice. The burger you've just seen was one from one of the local restaurants. Very nice, I think it had some kind of mango in it. We've just come upstairs just to chill out for a little bit. There's some food being cooked downstairs. It smells very nice, I think it's chicken and ginger, I think you can smell. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to Sambara Island, which is an island about 45 minutes away from where we are. So we'll see what that's like. We've had quite a few rain spells this evening, which has been nice to listen to. I don't think we've had any thunder and lightning, so the air's gone very humid, so hopefully sleeping tonight's going to be easy, but that's debatable with the humidity. At 80% humidity at the moment, 29.2 degrees, and it's 7:30 at night. That's quite mild to what it has been, so I'm hoping for a good night's sleep tonight, because we're up at I think 6 in the morning ready to go to the island. Liv's just looking at other holidays for us to go to Barcelona, so that should be fun.
I was Yeah, if you don't like it, chuck it over the balcony. But you're supposed to dip it in that. That's pretty strong. It's like vinegar.
There's no vinegar.
Yeah. There's no vinegar though, so we didn't have any.
But lemon could do, but
Yeah,
still
it's
the
a
same
bit
in
harsh that is, but
sour.
you might like it.
Ooh, yeah, they're good.
Not bad, is it? It's just a bit.
They're like little grapes.
Yeah.
I don't like
I thought you'd eat that.
it's fish. Oh, you're a big plate.
Sea grapes.
Wala ka manok?
Yeah.
Ha? Beer.